In this video, you learn how to add a work and business address to your Gmail account. Let's just get right into it. First is to launch your Google Chrome web browser. Note that you can do this on your mobile app as well. So visit gmail.com and log in. I am logged in on my Gmail account, so the next step you need to take is to click on your profile icon, which is in this case at the top right. Select Manage your Google account. On this new page, click on Personal Information. Some things will be displayed by this side, so scroll down. Once you scroll down, you get to this Home Address and Work Address section. So click on Home Address first, then type your home address, or you can click on this Choose Map, then pick your address from the map, which after that you click on Save. Alright, so look at where it finds. I'll click on this or drag this map. So you take your cursor to the map, okay? Press and hold on the left button of that map of your mouse and then drag until you get to that particular place, okay? So here now, if I should use this, it's going to use coordinates, alright, to get the map. So the next is to click on Save. So you can see it has added it. Alternatively, you may remove it and add the address manually. So let's just remove it in this case. So to add the address manually, click inside this address section and then type it. So as you are typing, it will be showing you possible addresses as well. So after typing everything manually, you can click out, okay, so that you don't use the map option that is suggesting to you. Then the next step is to click on Save. Okay, it's telling me that the address is not found. So that means as I'm typing, I should choose what is being suggested. So let's type again. You can see this address here is suggested. So let's agree with that so that we can be able to save it. I'll click on this. Then I'll click on Save. I'll click on Done. So this address is added. Click on Work Address if you have any work address and use that same means to add it. If this content helps, consider subscribing, leave a comment in the comment section, and hit the like button. Thank you, and see you some other time.